Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Chrome tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change the search engine on Chrome. This is actually quite simple. First I open Google Chrome, click on the three dots at the top right and go to Settings. Here we switch to Search Engine in the sidebar on the left and we can see that Google is currently my default search engine. By clicking on Change, I can select other search engines from a list. If I want exciting search results, I could select Bing or Yahoo. For this tutorial I will use DuckDuckGo because ducks are simply amazing, and at the end I click on Set as Default and I have already changed the search engine. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!